What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and in this video I'm going to show you this cheap silicone case I picked up for the Steam Deck from AliExpress. So let's just take a quick look at the front of the box. So as you can tell, it is a TPU case. Now looking at the back, it says precise alignment of holes, food grade silicone. I'm not sure what that means. Full protection. Then on the bottom, non-slip groove. Okay, let's take it out. And here it is. And let's take out this foam pad. And here we have it. It's a very flexible TPU case. So let me just grab the Steam Deck. And I'll try to put that in slowly. So we're going to start off with the left side. So I'm going to lift up the stick portion here, slide that in. So that's done. Next we're going to go with the right hand side. So again, this can get a bit tricky. Okay, that's it, that's done, that's in. But as you can see here, the cutout is not very tight, and obviously because it is a TPU case, but you can probably like push it and to just align it up with all of the cutouts. So we have the cutouts for the buttons, speakers. This is the top, and then again, as I said, we can pinch it or squeeze it. And here it is. Now on the top, we've got the cutouts for the volume buttons, headphone jack, the exhaust, the Type-C port, the LED light, and the power button, as well as the shoulder buttons or triggers. Then on the back, we've got the cutouts for the R4, R5, L4 and 5, as well as the, I think that's another exhaust. And not forgetting the micro SD slot. As for the grips, this does feel quite good, as well as these dots here. Yeah, so far I think it's quite good. I mean, if you're not using a D brand skin or extreme skin, then this is probably the way to go to give it some kind of protection if it was to fall. And before I close up, let's get the carry case. Just put that in, and you know, you can zip it up, no issues at all, because it is very thin. Now this took me about 2 weeks to get from China, so if you wanted it a bit sooner, then you probably have to buy it from Amazon or eBay, and you probably pay twice the price, which is about 14-15 pounds, maybe $20 US. And I think it does the job well. So yeah, I think that wraps it up for this video. If you have enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release my videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.